This video walks you through self-enrolling in the MC Lab Safety course and how to navigate and successfully complete it. The first thing you want to do is log into Blackboard with your Merrimack credentials. Choose Courses and then choose Browse Course Catalog and enter the course name, MC Laboratory Safety. Then use the drop-down arrow and click Enroll. On the next pages, click Submit, and then way down at the bottom right, click OK. And now you should have the course added to your list. Choose your MC Lab Safety course, and once in there, you want to start here with the Emergency Medical Information Sheet. Fill it out and submit it. Next, click into the Bio and Chem Required General Lab Safety and Fire Safety and follow these directions 1 through 6. Now, if you're in a bio class, you have one additional step. Click on Biology Course Only, click on the Biosafety and NIH Guidelines training, read the document, and take the quiz. That's it. Your instructor will have your test results, so be prepared. You need an 80 or better to pass and participate in the lab. Remember to always view your scores after you take each test to make sure that you passed.